Is your home feeling a little too cold, or is your furnace making strange noises? When you need furnace repair in Grand Rapids, Michigan, you want help that's fast, reliable, and understands what Michigan winters can bring. If you live here, you know how quickly a minor furnace issue can turn into a major problem, especially when winter hits hard. That's why Sullivan Heating Cooling Plumbing is here to help, with a team that's always ready to respond quickly and efficiently. At Sullivan, furnace repair in Grand Rapids, Michigan should be simple, stress-free, and reliable. Our 7-star experience means every technician who visits your home is highly trained, background checked, and committed to getting the job done right the first time. With our no Bubba guarantee, you'll never have to worry about sloppy work or unanswered questions. We treat your home with respect, keep you informed, and always clean up before we leave. We know that emergencies don't wait for business hours. That's why we offer emergency furnace repair for Kent homeowners, so you are never left in the cold. If your system needs more than a quick fix, we'll help you find the best solution for your home and for your budget without any pressure. Don't let a minor furnace problem turn into a big headache. If you need furnace repair in Grand Rapids, Michigan, get a quote from Sullivan Heating Cooling Plumbing today. We guarantee you will experience comfort, safety, and service that you can trust.